Our student-centered funding model is expanding access for learners while securing the sustainability of our universities. By January next year, we will have recruited a record 100,000 new teachers in just 3 years, a significant achievement that has strengthened our education system and improved learning outcomes across the country. This is in addition to the construction of 23,000 classrooms that has been done in collaboration with our members of parliament using the NGCDF. Fellow Kenyans, our affordable housing program is delivering safe and decent homes to families across the country, affirming that shelter is not a privilege for a few, but a constitutional entitlement for every Kenyan. Today, over 160,000 housing units are under construction, each one providing not only a roof over a family's head, but also creating thousands of jobs for our young people, artisans, and professionals. As I committed, we will be handing over the next 5,000 units right here in Nairobi, as we do it in other counties this month. On universal health coverage, we are ensuring that illness no longer drives families into poverty, and that access to quality health care is upheld as a right of every citizen. Despite the inevitable challenges of transition, which are being systematically addressed, the progress is demonstrable and undeniable. As of today, 25.7 million Kenyans have registered with the Social Health Authority, a clear indication of confidence in this reform. Through SHA, we are delivering healthcare to millions of Kenyans in direct, practical, and impactful ways.